In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert and rotate a text box in LibreOffice Writer. This is a handy skill for customizing your document layouts and adding a bit more visual flair or emphasis to your text. Whether you're designing a brochure, preparing a stylish presentation, or just trying to make your document layout more dynamic, rotating text can be extremely useful. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open LibreOffice Writer. If you haven't already done this, simply locate the LibreOffice icon on your desktop. Once you've found it, just double-click to open the software. Upon opening, you'll be presented with several options to choose from. Click on Writer Document to create a new file where we can work on our text box. Now that you have your blank document in front of you, it's time to insert a text box. This is quite simple. Navigate your way to the top menu of the Writer interface. Here, look for the option labeled Insert. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you'll find Text Box. Select Text Box, and then, with your mouse, click and drag on the document page to draw the size of the text box you desire. Once it's in place, you can click inside this box and start typing your text. You've now got a custom text box that you can manipulate as needed. Next, we want to access the drawing tools so we can perform more advanced manipulations on our text box. To do this, click once on the border of the text box. You'll notice that when the text box is selected, small green handles or resize points appear either at the bottom or on the sides of the box. These markers indicate that you can now manipulate the size and shape of your text box. Now, let's focus on rotating the text box. Start by right-clicking directly on the border of the box. Make sure not to click inside the text area as this won't bring up the right options. From the context menu that pops up, choose Position and Size. This will open a new window where you'll have the ability to adjust various settings. In the Position and Size window, there's a tab marked Rotation. Click on this tab to access the rotation settings directly. Within the Rotation tab, you'll see options to enter the exact angle of rotation you wish to apply. For example, you might want a 90 degrees rotation for a vertical layout, or a 45 degrees angle for a more diagonal look. Enter your desired angle, and once you're satisfied, click OK. Your text box will now display the rotation you've chosen, so you can easily integrate it into your document's layout. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and rotated a text box in LibreOffice Writer. This ability to rotate your text can provide additional design potential and extra creativity to your document projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Feel free to explore more of these features in LibreOffice to enhance your document creation skills.